Family, what is up? Welcome to another episode of Talking with Tonio. Listen, in this video, I will be discussing how to get the best lifestyle mock-ups for your clothing brand in 2021. Listen, 2021 is just a continuation of 2020, so I definitely understand if you don't want to hire photographers and models, because for one, it's not really safe right now, and then two, it's just not really cost effective to do that anymore, especially if you're creating a print on demand business like I referred to in my first video. But in this video, I'm going to give you the perfect website to use, and I'm going to teach you step by step on how I create these lifestyle mock-ups and how I design them. And then hopefully this helps you with your clothing brand as well. So if you're excited, go ahead and thumbs up the video, because this is some really, really good information that I'm gonna give you. But without further ado, let's get into the video. Now, the website that I use is called Placeit. Listen, you guys, this website is amazing. I've been using it for over the past year, and they have pretty much everything you could need. So whatever your apparel that you're trying to sell, they have mock-ups for it. So they have t-shirts, they have tank tops, they have hoodies, hats, literally whatever you're trying to sell online, they have it for you. Even if you're trying to create digital products or you need some help with your logo, they have it on this website. So I definitely want you to check it out if you've never heard of it. I do have a link down below that is an affiliate link, so I definitely want you to check it out. But now I'm gonna show you step by step on how I create these mock-ups for myself. Now, first things first, before I show you how to actually create the lifestyle mock-up, you're going to need your PNG file. Now, if you're doing print on demand, you should already have this file. But if you aren't doing print on demand, you will need that transparent file, so when you put it on a shirt, it looks realistic. So make sure you get your PNG file in place first before you go through these additional steps, okay? All right, so here goes the website. Here it's called placeit.net. And like I said, they have so many designs, templates, literally whatever you need to use as a mock-ups, books, digital product mock-ups. Like it's crazy how much stuff is on this website, but I'm gonna show you here. So what I do is I go to mock-ups, and then let's just say I want to do a mock-up for a t-shirt. We're gonna keep this real simple, you feel me? We're gonna keep this real simple. So I hit t-shirts. I don't know why my hand is itching, dog. Golly. All right, so here they got everything you could want. If you want the standard mock-up, you could do it here with the little t-shirt hanger. If you want, you know, a little mommy and me, you feel me? They got that right here. They got Miss Cool Girl here. My man got the Ray bands on here. But what I'm gonna use, let's see here. Let's use Shawty with the glasses, okay? So we'll click on her. Sorry, my computer just running slow. I don't know why my computer running so slow. Wow, this is embarrassing. Why is my computer running so slow? So as you see, right, they have it to where you can insert an image. You can add a little text if you want to add a little razzle dazzle. You feel me? And then you can actually change the color of the shirt too. So if you want to change the color of the shirt to black, you could do that. Whatever color you want your shirt to be that's more realistic with your clothing brand, you can do, okay? But for just this is just educational purposes. We're going to go with the good old blanco, okay? So all we have to do is insert image. So I'm going to go here, upload from device. And then I already have a file with all my text and logos. I'm going to hit it with the little bunny, movements over barriers, boom. And as you see here, it's going to show you kind of what it will look like. Now, I already know this is going to be a little bit too big for what I think my clothing brand would realistically look like on a shirt. So I'm going to go ahead and crop that down a little bit. And then move it up some. And I think that should look pretty decent. Boom. And voila. Now for me, I don't really like that. I think it don't look how I would want. Because the cool thing is about this website is that they try to make your image look realistic based on the You see how it's windy? It looks like it's windy in this shoot. So they want to make sure that the shirt looks realistic to what it would really be if you had your logo on the shirt. I hope that makes sense, right? So I'm going to resize it, move it a little bit, and then you can kind of play with it to your liking. Boom. I'll move it up just a little bit more. Right, but boom, that's it. So that's pretty much how it works. It's very, very simple. And then all you have to do is hit download. And then it's gonna process the mockup. And like, this is like the easiest thing to do. And especially for the price, it's only like $14.99. You can create so many mockups to where you can use, and then you just hit download, it downloads, double tap. But here, this is what the mockup would look like, right? And so that's how easy it is to create mockups with Placeit. And then you can use this for Instagram. You can use this for Twitter if you want to run Facebook ads, Instagram ads. This website is amazing. And again, you don't have to have models. You can literally put whatever PNG file on the shirt. You can make it look however you like, right? Obviously, you know, just for educational purposes, I just created it like this really, really quick just to show you how to put an image on here. But if I really wanted to tailor it to how I wanted it, like, you would never know that this was a mock-up, right? I'll show you this. I'll show you another picture that makes a little bit more sense. And you would just never know that this was a mock-up unless I told you. And that's what I really, really like about Printful. Like this shirt right here. You would never know that this was a mock-up. Like, you would never know. Like, this looks dope, right? And so this is the capabilities that you can get from Placeit. So I definitely recommend you use it because I love this app. It's amazing. You would never know that some of these things were mock-ups if you've seen them. So if you haven't checked it out, I would strongly recommend you check out Placeit. It's super, super dope. I tried not to make this video too long because I know you guys are trying to make that money. So if you want to check it out, I'll link it down below. Thank you guys so, so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, be easy.